Hello, my name is Stephanie, and this is Soloing Alone.
I hope you enjoyed this video where I took a spectacular journey on Amtrak's California Zephyr. I started in Denver, Colorado and ended in Emeryville, California, enjoying a day in San Francisco. So for this trip, I flew out on a Thursday evening, caught the train on a Friday morning, and was back home on a Sunday evening, ready to start work again on Monday. This trip only cost me 1 day of pay time off from my job.
All aboard!
One of the many things I enjoy about riding the train is how relaxing it is for me to just sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful scenery passing by. The Sightseer Lounge offers a fantastic vantage point to take in the views. However, during parts of the route, it can get crowded. The California Zephyr train crossed over into Utah from Colorado around 7 in the evening. After enjoying a nice dinner and being lulled to sleep by the motion of the train, I woke early to a beautiful Nevada sunrise. One of the fun things when riding the train is seeing the train itself while you're sitting inside. Whether she is going around a mountain or around a sharp curve, I always hear fellow riders comment, take pictures and video when they can see the front or the back of the train. Once I arrived into San Francisco, I visited Fisherman's Wharf, enjoyed some great seafood, and got my first look at Alcatraz Island. The next morning, I did a little bit of shopping in Chinatown before meeting up with my tour. While planning this trip, I booked with the Painted Ladies Tour Company, named for the famous row of pastel-color Painted Lady homes located across from Union Square. You should check them out. It was really fun learning about and touring San Francisco in one of their VW vintage buses.
And this intersection is where it all happened. This is the center of Haight-Ashbury.
Construction on the Golden Gate Bridge started in 1933 and was completed in 1937. Now, 88 years later, I was fortunate to see this majestic structure.
Thank you, sir. All right. I'm going to see him twice more today, so I got to be nice to him. Here we are. So this is a 16-degree incline, and it was actually built as a solution to getting early vehicles up into this area, this neighborhood, because they couldn't handle the 27-degree slope, but they could handle the 16-degree switchback.
This trip cost me about $1,000, which included first class plane tickets, a sleeper car room, which I got by using points, two separate hotel rooms, a guided tour, and other miscellaneous items. I chose to travel first class, but you can easily do this trip on a lower budget and still have a blast like I did.
I didn't leave my heart in San Francisco, but highly recommend visiting as a solo traveler. Be sure to check out the beautiful heart art pieces located in Union Square.
Thank you for watching. Please help me grow my channel by clicking the like button, subscribing, and sharing this video. Until next time, this is Soloing Alone.